After my mom taught me how to make pap, I can't remember the last time I took out my own money to say I'm buying pap to make and drink. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my own authentic, delicious, a bit spicy pap from scratch. And without wasting your time, let's start. I'm going to be using this white corn. I'm also going to join it together with this millet. Of course, we're not going to use it like that. Make sure to wash it off clean using water. Put it in your 2 palms and scrub it nicely and gently as shown in the video. Drain off the water and repeat the same process for about 4 to 5 times, or until you are sure that the water runs clear, or until you are sure that it is well washed and clean. This happened to be my last set. I'm just going to drain off the water one more time and then go ahead and add in enough water and leave it to rest for a day. That is for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is how it was looking. Next, I'm going to drain off the water and then rinse it off with a clean water for about 2 to 3 times. When I'm done, I'm just going to add some dry pepper, cloves and ginger. I'll add enough water, take it to a commercial blender to blend it for me because it was way too much for my blender. But if your blender is strong enough to carry out the work, feel free to use it. Okay, I'm so glad I took it to the commercial blender because the work was so easy. He just blended twice and it was ready, guys. It also came out really smooth, so yeah, I highly recommend it. Next, I went ahead to pour it in a deeper, bigger rubber bucket as shown in the video. Rinse off this bucket with a lot of water and add it in. You need a lot of water to lighten up the mixture so it becomes easy when you are sieving it. Use your turning stick and mix it just the way I'm doing in the video, nicely and gently. In another rubber, I'm going to sieve the mixture using my siever, but feel free to use cheesecloth if you have it. It's faster with cheesecloth, but anyone is fine. When you're done, do not throw away the shaft just like that. Add in enough water inside. You're going to mix it again using your turning stick. Then go ahead and sieve it again. Make sure to use your hand to press out excess pap inside, and this is what you get. Next, you want to turn it again. You have to keep turning because it settles quickly. Get your sieve or cheesecloth and sieve it for the second and the last time. You will notice that when your pap settles down, it will give you that smooth, beautiful texture, which is what we are looking for. You can choose to sieve it 3 times, save your choice, not mine. See the shaft I got? Very beautiful. Set it aside. Okay, now you want to cover it and leave it to settle. This is after 1 hour of leaving it to settle. I'm going to separate the water from the pap itself. Now you want to do this carefully so you don't end up pouring in the pap together with the water. Next, I'm going to get cheesecloth and pour half of the pap sediment inside. Now you want to do this gently and nicely, and I wanted it a bit thick, that's why I'm doing this. Okay, so you want to get a siever and then put it inside so that the water can drain off inside. Now this is the consistency I want. For packaging, you can use your plastic rubber and package it inside. Now if you want yours thicker than this, leave it longer. I left mine for a longer time for water to drain for the second set, and this is how it came out, so beautiful. For packaging, I'm using Ziploc bag to package mine, and I'm also going to use a plastic rubber. You can choose to use anything to package it, and then I'm going to refrigerate it. And if you're like, oh god, yeah, I don't have freezer, I don't have fridge, what should I do? You can dry it using your tray, and when it's dry, you want to get your blender and blend it as smooth as you can. If you do not have blender, you can also pound it smoothly and you're good to go, guys. And just like that, you've made yourself pap that can last you for days. Now all you have to do is to store it inside your freezer or your fridge. To make the actual pap, all you have to do is to put the sediment inside your container, then add a little water, not too much. You want to break this and melt it till you have this consistency. Now you want to get your boiled water. As you're adding your mixing, you can take few seconds, and immediately you're done adding it, turn the pap till there's no more lumps inside. And what is good pap without good akara? I served mine with akara and it came out really good, guys. If you have not liked the video, please don't go without liking it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And if you have, God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. Bye.